Alright guys, we have another contestant on who is sleeping in the back seat. And the next contestant is Skylar Bevel. Oh, I love it. Let's wait till Ethan gets in the car and then we'll have another one. Alright, we're at Ethan's house. Police, open up!
I know that was gonna happen.
This is what we really came for. Hold on, let me up this exposure a little bit. It's so dark. So you can see my bird friend.
You can take that bird whenever you want.
Dude, I want the bird.
All Bowlifi for the bird.
Hey, buddy! Tell YouTube something. Tell him Taco Bell. Hey, buddy. Can you do the cage dance? Hey, do the cage dance. Come here, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Cage dance. Do the cage dance. Do it, yeah. Come on, give me a high five. Do the cage dance. I love this bird. Say Taco Bell? Where are they going? Taco Bell? Look at you hanging upside down. What are you doing? You like Taco Bell? You gonna eat some of your food? Oh yeah, eat some of that food. Don't stand in it, eat it. That's your beak. Don't bite your beak. What are you doing, buddy? Pretty bird.
Hello. Hello.
Oh yeah, YouTube's gonna love you. Pretty bird. Alright guys, so we're bowling down in Fort Myers today, Lightning Strikes Bowl. Actually, same place we have our tournament next Saturday, so came down here. What's up, Harry? You want to be on the YouTube?
Let's go, buddy.
What's going on? Good to see you.
You too, buddy. We're gonna whack them today.
Oh yeah, only 5 games, so you gotta hit them early.
Cheers, bro.
Yep, good seeing you. Alright, so Lightning Strikes Bowl, 5-gamer. Handicap and scratch side. Scratch side actually has a 1-game position round, so if you're in the top 12, then you go ahead and you bowl another game, and then they pay out after 6 games. Handicap pays after 5. So I'm gonna walk up to the bowl, get ready. Austin, what's up, man?
What's up, Trevor?
Flip this around so I can see what I'm filming, but yep. 3 doors you can choose from. I'm gonna choose the middle one. I think that's good luck. And another set of 3 doors. But yeah. Checking tables, got Scotty.
Want to do doubles?
Yeah, we'll do some doubles.
Alright.
And yeah, big center here, 50 lanes. Mr. Rakoski there. But yeah, 5 games. I'll try to do some updates in between. And let's hit it. started with the Idol Helios, and I went through the nose, 810, pocket 810. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna throw it harder, move a little bit back to the right. A 4-bagger, 4-pin through the nose, a 4-pin through the nose, 207. Now we're on game 2. I switched to the Zen, threw that in the fill, and I went strike, strike, 10-pin, 10-pin, strike. Ethan somehow gets a mulligan on an 810. Lane shuts off, sweeps it, redoes the frame. I don't know how the hell that happens, but just funny, man. The guy next to us falls in the oil. Yeah, I don't know. It's a weird day so far. But yeah, we're throwing the Zen. Had to move a little bit left. I'm hitting 19 at the arrows, and I have to increase my rotation just a little bit to get it through the 10 pin. So let's see how this game goes. I'll be back. Well, guys, bad game. 161. 2 missed spares, 2 splits. The ball is hooking before 40 or before 30 feet. Like this house, it just hooks so much. It's ridiculous, man. This ball changed down to the Spectre, threw a strike first frame, so I will come back after this game. Hopefully it's a little bit better. But yeah, the fronts just hook so much here, it's ridiculous. So 244 with the Spectre that game. I'm into about 22, or I was into 22, lofting it over the fronts. This game I went light strike, moved into 23, 10 pin, 10 pin, switched to the Wolverine, 10 pin as well, and then I just struck. So just gotta keep moving left. I'm into like 23, 24 at the arrows, getting it over the fronts. Craziness, absolute craziness. But you know, that's what bowling is now. Bowling is who can get left the fastest, the furthest, and throw it the farthest. It's crazy, but you know, that's what we're bowling in, or that's what we're playing, and it's what you gotta do to win. So let's finish out this game. This is game 4, one more. And then the scratch side has the 1-game finals, so let's go. All right, game 4, 237, 4 10 pins, or 4 10 pins, the rest were strikes. Wolverine was the ball. I'm hitting 24 and I'm lofting it. Like, when does that ever happen that I hit lofting it? But I know it happens on tour, and I'm actually getting better at it, which is great, because every week you have to get way left and loft the fronts. So getting better at it. 237, so 244, 237, making a run for the cut. Let's finish strong, and hopefully I get in that top 12. We will see. High Road Pearl is on standby. That might make an appearance this game. Let's go. All Alright, so last three were 244, 237, 234. So, what, plus 120 the last 1 team, the last three. Puts me at 83 over. So, top 12 make it for a 1-game position round. So, we'll see. We'll see. That Wolverine is so good when they're hooking. And, yeah, I just split in the 8th. Which cost me about 30 pins. And yeah, I mean, I gave it my all. So we'll see if I make top 12. If so, I catch a check. If not, we learn from it and we move on. So we will see. Alright, so I misspoke in the last part. Because there weren't 60 entries, they didn't take top 12. They took top 9 because there was 45 entries. Guess what I finished in? I was 10th. So 1 spot out of it. Guess it happens, man. I gotta go get my bracket money, but it just hurts. And it's, I don't know, it's not even about the money. Not about the money. It's just the fact that I started so poorly and then I finished 240, 230, 230. But if my game 2 is not a 160, then I'm in. And if I make my spares, I'm in. So it's just aggravating. And that's what bowling will do to you. It'll make you want to rip your hair out. And I probably already have enough. So I'm going to chalk it up as a loss. Go get my bracket money. And, you know, move on to the Sims tomorrow. But I did bowl really well when I had to play 23 to 25, lofting it over the fronts with the clean ball. So that's cool. Man. It's just tough loss. I hate losing. I hate it, but it's part of bowling. It's what makes you appreciate winning more, and it's what makes you get better. So you eat the punch, and you move on, and you come back stronger. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is pennies to the tour. I mean, my end goal is tour stuff, titles, stuff like that, shows. So, you know, this is just learning, really. And I learned. I bowled terrible games 1 and 2. I wasn't far enough left with a weak enough ball. I gotta be faster with my moves. So, that's all. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully we got some really cool shots. And if not, you can always go watch the live stream, because I live streamed as well. So, you know. Take a deep breath. Smile. I'm gonna go grab some food, watch the finals, and then watch the PBA bowling. So, peace out. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow at The Sims.